So today's question is transformed array. So you are given an integer array nums that represents a circular array, and your task is to create a new array result of the same size following these rules. So for each index I, where I is between 0 and nums of length, perform the following independent actions. If nums of I is greater than 0, so start at index I and move nums of I steps to the right. Okay, we have to move to the right if the number is positive, and if the nums of I is less than 0, we have to move left absolute nums of I times, and if nums of I is equal to 0, then we have to simply append that 0 value in the result value. Return the new array result, and note, since nums is circular, moving past the last element wraps around to the beginning, and moving before the first element wraps back to the end. So let's try to code this. Let's first take n is equal to len of nums. Let's set our result array is equal to 0 0 for I in range nums. So in this case, the third case, we are taking at the base case. Okay, so if nums of I, so we have set all the values at 0 currently, so we don't need to check for 0. As for 0, it will be automatically be 0. Now for I in range, it's n, right? Now you can simply go traverse the loop. So for I in range n, what will be result of I? Result of I is equal to, first thing, we will calculate the index where our value will reach. Okay, so suppose I plus nums of I, we are currently at the index I, we have been asked to go nums of index times ahead. So if nums of I times index, if this number is positive, it will automatically go ahead. If it is negative, so I minus nums of I, then it will go on the left side. And simply, as this is a circular array, we can do modulus n here, which will just calculate its position. And now we want its value at that index, so we can simply get that value. So nums plus I plus n, I plus nums of I mod n, and simply we can return results. Hope this will work. Return results. Let's try to run this. Yeah, so code has passed. Let's try to submit this and check. Yeah, so our code has passed successfully. Thank you for watching.